If you manage a large-scale industrial zone, export processing area, or logistic park, then this is the video for you. Dirty vehicle increase maintenance wear, damage road surface, violate environmental regulations, and degrade your facility image, especially in zone exporting goods internationally. Traditional washing is slow, expensive, labor-heavy, and environmentally unsustainable. That's where GO&GO come in. Introducing the GO&GO Self-Service Vehicle Washer, the smarter, scalable cleaning solution built for industrial park, economy zone, and large logistic facilities. GO&GO is not just a washing machine. It's an industrial optimization tool built for continuous daily operation. The system handles high volumes of trucks, container, trailer, and support vehicle with no manual labor and 80% less water. Fully automatic and self-service. Driver activate the system with a single button that wash complete in under 2 minutes, freeing staff from repetitive cleaning tasks. Powerful high-pressure nozzle, engineered to remove dust, mud, oil, and cement from heavy vehicle. Water recycling system, closed loop filtration, recycle up to 80% of used water, helping industrial facilities meet grid compliance goals and cut costs drastically. Modular Scalable Design. Whether you manage a 10-hectare logistic park or a compact manufacturing facility, GO&GO Flexible Design integrates seamlessly into your space, even with limited infrastructure. Built to last in harsh industrial environment, GO&GO washers are made with corrosion-resistant steel, heavy duty pump, and weatherproof control designed for the non-stop demand of industrial site. Picture this: your logistic truck or container hauler pass through a sleek automatic wash bay. In minutes, they are spotless. No staff involved, no muddy runoff, and no standing queue. The result? Cleaner fleet that reflect your professionalism. Faster vehicle turnaround times for transport, operation, compliance with environmental standards without extra manpower. Improve safety by keeping mud off wheel and road. Lower O&M costs from water bill to labor hour. Client across Southeast Asia report up to 40% saving on labor and water in the first month alone. In a globalized market, your image and operation matter more than ever. Clean vehicle mean more than aesthetic. They signal quality, organization, and responsibility to every visiting partner or inspector. The GO&GO Self-Service Vehicle Washer is already used in industrial zone or export processing zone, container port and logistic park, manufacturing plant and distribution center, waste management and recycling yard, construction material hub, and cement factories. GO&GO, smarter cleaning, stronger operation, cleaner reputation. In the competitive world of industrial management, efficiency, compliance, and perception go hand in hand. With GO&GO, you get all three and a powerful tool that pays for itself fast. Ready to upgrade your facility standard? Contact our industrial solution team today for a consultation, live demo, and tailored quote.